Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSID and the exact case-sensitive password. Make sure you have admin access if required. Once done, open your laptop's browser and pick a QR generator that explicitly supports Wi-Fi network encoding. This avoids malformed codes. Now, type the SSID into the correct field, set security to WPA/WPA2 or none as appropriate, and paste the password exactly. Make sure the hidden network toggle reflects whether the SSID is broadcast. Once the fields are filled, choose the Wi-Fi encoding option rather than plain text. This ensures phones join automatically. You enter the password and set the security type, WPA2 for most networks, and mark hidden if the SSID is not broadcast. Then select a high error correction level and a 300 plus DPI output or vector SVG so scanners read it from a distance. Finally, click Generate and inspect the preview visually. Contrast matters. If it looks fuzzy, increase size or resolution. You now save the QR as PNG or SVG and place it where users will scan. Test with two different devices. One may prompt to join automatically while another shows network info first. Both should connect. If a device fails, stop and recheck the exact SSID, password, and security type in the generator, then regenerate. Make sure the QR contrast is high and not distorted. If problems persist, try another generator or export as SVG to avoid raster artifacts before printing or sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.